Hello and welcome to R&DW Adventures Mouse Monday. I'm Renee.
And I'm Darryl.
And today we have Wishables pins in blind bags. And I believe these are...
There's 16 different pins.
And there's 6 in each bag.
5.
5 in each bag.
5 in each bag. And we have a total of 6 bags to open. So we have 30 pins. Not quite double, but we're hoping
and
that we get all 16. But these are cool because, you know, it's the
baby
Wishables, Wishables style for some of the characters in the park, including the one that I really want, which is Choopy.
He's cute.
But it also has the teacup as one of them,
cute.
which is kind of weird.
Who's
and
this?
the Country Bear Jamboree.
And I think Mike.
Yeah, Mike and...
no, Sully. Just Mike.
No, what's her name? Boo.
Oh, yeah, Boo. Who's this one?
I'm not exactly sure. It's one of the dogs.
Yep. I'm not sure. Maybe it's Tramp.
Yeah, we could probably tell if we had to,
once we get the pins. let's look closer when we get the pins. Yeah, but were these on the expensive side, or did you get them on sale? Or?
Well, these are $28 for 5 pins, which is pretty cheap, really.
That's true.
So I can't complain about the price, but I haven't seen the pins yet either. We haven't done one of these like big blind bag kind of things.
No, we haven't.
In years. I think the last time we did one was back when we were on our honeymoon channel.
That was really not that many.
Oh, these are no, I know, but
yeah.
Yeah, it was years ago.
Oh, okay.
So there's no blind bags inside.
We just get 6.
You just get the 5 pins.
5 pins, rather. Sorry.
And they are kind of small.
Aw, what's his name?
Down here, Tom.
I am. What's his name?
Yeah, but you're too far or too close. I can't remember his name.
From Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, I know, but I can't remember his name. So I've got Woody.
Cute. I've got the bear. Oh, you do too.
We've got 2 of the bear from Country Bear with the top hat.
Oh, but I have Andy. Oh, this is Andy.
Oh, that's Woody.
Oh, Woody, I meant from... That's what I meant. Woody.
And then we've got one of the, I believe, Space Mickeys.
Right.
Probably
2 of
from...
them. It's actually a mini.
Is it a mini? Yes, it is, because of the bow. Oh, you know what? I think we have exactly the same.
Nope.
Nope, one different.
I have Boo.
You have... Yeah, you have Boo. I have...
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Cute.
Okay. All right. So we're not doing so well so far because we've got lots of duplicates.
Better than we did on that when we did the other Wishables.
Yeah, Wishables, yeah. You got to really watch it, I think, on the stuff from Shop Disney because they just don't mix these up very well. So I have a Mike.
Cute.
So we have the Mike and Boo I already have in here. Maybe I don't.
I have a teacup.
There's Boo. Oh, cool. So we've got a teacup. We've got
cute.
I'm thinking that's Miguel from Coco.
I think it is Miguel.
We have the Goofy engineer from Runaway Railway.
Very cute. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far.
And we have the puppy that I can't identify.
I don't know who it is, but he's adorable. Okay, so I got another bear, and another Woody, and another Peter Pan, and another Minnie.
We're not doing so bad compared to what we usually do from Shop Disney.
It's true. Oops. I was trying to... Which bear is this?
It's from Country Bear Jamboree. I couldn't tell you which bear is which because I haven't been to see Country Bear Jamboree since probably the 80s. Okay. And speaking of which, we have another one of the Country Bears, of course. We need to shift everyone over. Make room over here after the candle because I do have Cogsworth.
Oh, you do? Sweet. Okay.
We have another
Peter Pan.
Another teacup.
Oh, you know what? I wonder if that dog is the one from Coco.
He might be from Coco. I think they're together, so they probably are. Let me take a look at the package. Yes, he's with Miguel, so they're probably
I forgot
the
his
same.
name though.
Yeah. And then we've got the Mickey, Space Mickey.
Okay, I got what's her name?
Oh, Jessie.
I'll move them over this way. Jessie from
Toy Story.
Toy Story. Another teacup.
Oh, yay, we have 3 teacups.
Another Cogsworth. And, oh, a Mickey. That goes
Another
next
Mickey.
to this one. Oh, you got that one.
So,
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which one
the
are we?
only one we
the
don't
one you
have
wanted.
is the one I wanted, which was Choopy.
Okay, so if anyone has a Choopy and you're willing to trade.
Choopy, for anyone who doesn't know, is the, chick in the Runaway Railway ride that makes appearances every so often. Very cute, in my opinion.
Very.
So that's the one that I wanted.
So we did pretty
he
well,
reminds me
even
of
though we
Sippy
didn't.
Bird.
He does. He does look like Sippy Bird.
But then we've got Miguel and his dog, the spirit animal dog. Before it was the spirit animal.
Right.
We have Peter Pan, which I'm surprised there's not a second for him.
Or a Tinkerbell.
Right. Well,
Right,
yeah,
yeah.
that's what I mean. And then we've got the candle guy that we can't remember, and
Can't
it's going to
remember
drive
his
us nuts
name.
for the rest of the evening. But I'm sure we have smart viewers who are going to put
Somebody
it in the comments
please
below.
share that with us.
But it's shoot, I cannot remember his Lumiere.
Lumiere.
I finally figured out Lumiere and Cogsworth. And then we've got the Country Bear Jamboree guys, which again, no clue, but this one I legitimately have no clue. I'm never going to remember. And we have Jessie and Woody. And we have Minnie and Mickey, I'm assuming from... They're Space Minnie and Mickey, so I'm assuming they're from...
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain, thank you. And we have
Boo and Mike.
Boo and Mike. And the teacups. So,
Actually,
did-
though, is that Teacup Ride or is it Chip?
no, that's the teacup right.
Okay.
Chip is white.
Oh, you're right. You're
But
right.
it's the Mad Hatter
Okay.
teacup right. Or whatever they call that one. But yeah, so we got 15 of the 16, which is pretty good. But of course, the one that we wanted is missing.
Yes.
If you happen to have opened these up and have an extra Choopy and want to trade for
Anything.
one of the ones we've got the duplicate or triplicates of, which fortunately we didn't end up with more than triplicates.
That's true. Very
But if
true.
you do have one of those, leave us a comment below and hopefully we can set up a trade. All right, but that is all for this edition of our Mouse Monday. Make sure to click on the channel button over there to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified. On this end, we're going to put the playlist of our other Disney unboxing videos. So if you like these unboxings, lots of other pins, a few other things in there as well. But click on that playlist and you can find a lot more videos kind of like this one.